Hey, welcome to Business Uncomplicated. Today we're wrapping up our series on AI. This week we talked about driving strategies, pitfall. We've talked about technology. Today we want to kind of bring it all together in this final series and talk about practical steps on how you move forward. So the first thing we want to talk about is defining your goal. Everything's going to start with goal setting, why you're doing it, what problem are you solving. Let's make sure we hone in on how AI can benefit our company. The next step we want to talk about is data as a foundation. We talk about data ad nauseum in this firm. We talk about it a lot with our clients because data and content is going to be the fuel for AI. And it's going to be what drives the right answers, the right outcomes for you. And so ensuring that you have the right data points to feed into the AI, to absorb in the AI, is a better result you're going to get from the AI. Remember, you're training this model, so you want to make sure you're training it properly. The next thing you want to talk about is prioritizing those use cases. So once you figure out where the goals are and what you want to do, stack rank them. What is the most critical thing? Again, let's take that ROI lens again. What is going to give me the best return on that investment? So by doing so, you're going to allow those use cases to rise to the top, and that's going to be a really great place to start. Remember, we talked earlier this week, think big, but start small. The next thing is going to do is choose the right technology. Now, this is a challenge. Listen, technology is changing all the time. We talked several times this week about the DeepSeek announcement and launch that threw the tech world into a spin. So technology is going to change. What you have to do is research the technologies and make the best decision for your company, for your use cases today. We can't worry about what's going to happen 6 months or 9 months from now. The technology is going to evolve. It's going to evolve quickly. You can only do what's in the best interest for you today. The next thing is building a skilled team. Listen, there's a lot of information out there. We talked about education earlier this week. Educating you and your team on AI is critical, whether it's taking free courses, looking up YouTube courses, or paying for a course. You really want to invest the time to skill people up. The more you know about the technology and you know how AI works, the less scary it becomes and the easier it is to integrate into your organization, which really leads to the next thing, which is a culture of adoption. So you want people to embrace AI. It's scary. There's a lot of talk out there about how it's going to ruin careers and jobs. It's also going to add to the job. Technology has always replaced jobs and always has added to jobs. So don't be scared of it, embrace it, and have everybody else you work with or partner with embrace it as well. It's going to make the journey a lot smoother. And the final thing is monitor, evaluate, and improve. So again, start small, or sorry, think big, start small, but then move on, right? Evolve the use cases, evolve as the technology evolves, evolve your use of it. We hope you enjoyed this series. We'll have a new series next week on location in Austin, where we'll be with clients, and we'll talk more next week, but hope you have a great weekend. Follow us on this channel for more information or reach out if you want to have a conversation. Thanks.